Let's talk Nori Sheets. In the supermarket, you may find these in the Asian food section, or you'll find it over in the snack aisle. I found it in different areas, but I buy these sometimes at a Kroger, Walmart, Whole Foods, and I also visit Korean and Japanese markets. So I've tried a lot of different brands, haven't found much variation between the brands. I did notice you can buy half sheets, you can buy it in a full-size sheet, and there are soy wrappers. So the half sheet is like this, and this is a full-size sheet. So you can roll a smaller roll or do a larger one. And you can still cut these in half if you want to. They're very brittle, and so you want to be gentle with your packages. And then these are the soy ones. So this one happens to have sesame seeds on it. This one has a yellow tint to it. Some soy wrappers will come with a flavoring. These happen to have a vegetable dye in them, and they do not have a flavor. So this is my preference. It makes it a little colorful and fun to use. So I did not find much of a difference between different brands. But I did notice some color differences, didn't have a taste difference. So it's whatever is available in your grocery store.